Hi! Today I will show you the contents of our new demo kit with a capacitive button. The demo kit includes two information brochures, one in Polish and the other in English, as well as information about our solution department. As we move on, there are three elements in the box that make up the demo kit. The first of them is the main button module, which is a PCB board with a light diffusing module. You will also find two accessories, a connection cable and a dedicated 1.1 mm thick glass. After unpacking the demo kit, we can proceed to mounting the glass. For this, we additionally need isopropanol and a lint-free cloth, and ESD gloves will also come in handy. First, let's remove the protective film from the glass, and then thoroughly degrease the bonding surface using isopropyl alcohol, ensuring a clean and optimal adhesion. Next, from the main module of the capacitive button, we need to peel off the liner from the double-sided adhesive tape. Pay attention to the white elements, which serve as reference points for correctly attaching the PCB. They can be easily seen through the cutouts on our PCB. And very carefully, while looking at the distinct white elements, we then attach the button securely. Press it down for about 20 seconds. After this time, the module is ready now indeed. After assembling the capacitive button module, we can check if it works correctly using any microcontroller platform. We will also use the cable included with the demo kit. You can find a sample code in the description of this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions about the operation, customization, or software of the button, feel free to contact us.